We start with Gayle live tonight in the city, talking with folks about how they spent the day preparing for all the rain that's on the way. Gayle.
Well, Jonathan and Justine, we really are seeing the weaker initial part of this storm, but you see it's quite light to moderate outside in San Francisco, and earlier today it didn't stop people from staying home. Umbrellas were handy in San Francisco Sunday, where the streets are soaked. Still, people lined up for grilled cheese. The anticipated atmospheric river brought light to moderate rain throughout the day. The weather, a surprise for this group visiting from Paris. Did you guys pack any rain gear at all? Nope.
Yeah, I wanted to enjoy San Francisco, but with the weather, I think it's going to be a bit difficult now.
Over at Ocean Beach, strong winds. The National Weather Service is expecting hazardous beach and marine conditions Sunday into Monday. Towards the afternoon, the storm system spread light to moderate rain across the Bay Area. In Berkeley, people went about their day, rain or shine.
The rain is really nice. I wish it wasn't raining, but since it's raining, I've accepted it, and it makes for a very nice day.
A nice day for now, but the storm is expected to bring the heaviest rain late Sunday into the overnight hours. On the roads, we saw fewer drivers, but with the weather pattern about to change, first responders cautioned to take it slow over the next couple of days. Yeah, so intensification of rainfall expected later tonight and into the morning commute. So more drivers will be out. So first responders, they are asking people to take it slow, especially while it's crowded. And in the meantime, flooding and downed trees and power outages will be a concern of this storm. Live in San Francisco, Gayle Ong, KRON 4 News.
Thank you so much, Gayle. Let's get a little more in depth now.